Alright, so this is the final experiment, the dancing robots. And so what they do is they do a little dance and then they sweep to find each other. But since they're only using photoresistors, they have a hard time seeing each other in the light. And so what I'll do is I'll let them dance for a little bit so you can see they work. And then I'll pick one up and show you how it's built. So they're just a couple of gearboxes connected to the Arduino through a L298N motor controller slash servo controller. And I just have the PWM signal coming out of 2 pins, and then 4 digital pins working to switch the directions. And then on the front I have the 9-volt battery plus a photoresistor and the LED. And it takes in the input from the photoresistor to get the direction, sweeping side to side. And it's really terrible resolution because, as you'd imagine, they're not servos and they're not really meant for precisely moving. So the gearbox has so much slop in it that I can only get maybe probably a 5-degree angle as it goes. Let me see this one as it sweeps. Each of those steps is about what you need to do because if you don't have enough power, then it can't overcome the friction of the gearbox. And then once you've got it moving, the momentum of the gears keeps it going too far. So it's kind of a balancing act to get as close as a motion I could to sweep. All right, turn off the light real quick. So here's it working. Once it starts to sweep, it comes back to looking at the other robot. Does a sweep. Sees the other robot and turns back toward it again. There we go. And the other problem with the photoresistor, it actually has a fairly narrow band and range that it'll detect something, which I was kind of surprised about. If you're not within probably about 5 feet of it with the LED, it's not going to detect a large enough spike in light, and then it won't turn toward the other robot. Yep. So that's not even 1 foot away, but the 9-volt batteries are dying pretty rapidly now. Yep, and there goes the other robot.